We are kayaking at Silver Spring State Park today. Silver Springs is of course famous for its glass bottom boats, but we're going to show you why you should get out on a kayak and do this 5-mile run. There is so much to see here on Silver River, and this is one of the prettiest rivers you can kayak in all of Florida. There's much wildlife here. You are definitely going to see alligators on this trail. And you might want to use one of the outfitters like we did so you can make the run with the current and get picked up at the end of that run. I will put a link to their company down in the description for you in case you want to check them out. You may have heard that occasionally you can see monkeys out on this trail, and that is the case. We did not see them on this day, but I'm going to add a couple of clips from a previous time that we kayaked there and saw them. But be aware, do not feed them, do not get too close to them, and just enjoy the wildlife as you see it. Right there on that tree. You just jump right over there. Alright, here's where we're launching. We're going to go up to the spring first, then come back and take this trail all the way down to get on Silver River here. And we're off. It can be a little tricky to find the spring head here, but it's just a little bit to the right of the glass bottom boats. And I highly recommend you use a GoPro or at least a cell phone that is waterproof so you can capture some of those incredible shots that you will surely get. We saw many gators on this trip, and I think we were able to capture about 3 pretty close. Right here, you're ending the first mile of this run, and as you meet the Silver River, you're going to take a right, and that'll take you on down the rest of the way.
Something's flying.
Turkey. I'm not trying to chase it. Oh, you got a snake. Did you get him, honey?
Yep.
You got a snake. Okay, here we go, ready? All right, get her there. little buddies. Hey friends. How you doing, guys? And we have a couple teens that are kayaking today. And how would you guys say this on a scale of 1 to 10? We got a what here?
I'd say about an 8 or 9.
Nice. 8 or 9. We even got to see a manatee on this kayaking run. So if you're keeping track, we saw 3 or 4 gators, plenty of birds, an amazing hawk dive into that bush and pull that snake out of it. If you didn't catch that, that's just a few clips back if you want to check it out. But there is just amazing wildlife on this run. It is spectacular here at Silver Springs State Park. All right, here is the kayak launch if you are camping at the state park right there.
Yes.
And right here we managed to get up close to one more gator for you. At the end of the run, you're looking for a sign on your right-hand side that will say Ray Wayside Park, and you'll just take the left there and end up at the launch where they'll pick you up and take you back. If I didn't mention it earlier, they do include admission into Silver Springs if that's something you want to check out when you get back, and you can just walk the grounds and the trails there, and they're beautiful. Well, if this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up down below. More importantly, we would love it if you subscribed to the channel and came along with us on all of these adventures. And until next time, get out there and camp, travel, and explore.